Which Zojirushi rice cooker delivers better results, the NP-HCC10XH Induction or the NP-NWC10XB Pressure model? Both feature powerful induction heating for even cooking, but one adds pressure technology. Follow this detailed comparison to discover the perfect Zojirushi model for your kitchen. The NP-HCC10XH starts with superior induction heating for precise and consistent temperatures. Its multi-menu system includes settings for white rice sushi porridge and GABA brown. Use the delay start timer and extended keep warm for perfectly timed meals. The triple heater system surrounds the pot, delivering even cooking without hot spots, so you get perfect rice every time. The result is tender, evenly cooked rice thanks to superior induction technology. The rice from NP-HCC10XH offers perfect fluffiness and retains natural flavors well. Easy cleanup thanks to the non-stick coated inner pan that wipes clean fast. Large, easy-to-read control panel simplifies selecting any cooking function quickly. Durable stainless steel body maintains a sleek, professional appearance in modern kitchens. The Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH proves reliable for everyday use, delivering consistent, high-quality rice. Switching to the Zojirushi NP-NWC10XB, which adds pressure induction for advanced performance. The unique platinum coating on this pan helps rice cook sweeter and more flavorful. AI technology automatically adjusts pressure levels among 3 options for optimal results. The pressure system locks flavors and creates plumper grains than standard heating. Sealed pressure environment intensifies heat transfer for more efficient, delicious rice. Opening reveals exceptionally plump and glossy rice thanks to the pressure feature. This rice tastes noticeably sweeter and more tender due to advanced pressure tech. It's so good. The non-stick platinum pan remains easy to clean even after pressure use. Advanced control panel with more settings allows customization for various rice types. The Zojirushi NP-NWC10 consistently produces gourmet-level rice suitable for any occasion. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked and still steaming hot. It's ideal for any meal. Side by side, the Zojirushi NP-10XB shows better plumpness, while the Zojirushi NP-HCC10 offers solid value. The NP-NWC is superior for serious cooks, while the NP-HCC10XH is best for everyday value.